Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Birth of Venus, a couture masterpiece by Leo Almodal, is a stunning creation inspired by the famous painting by Italian Renaissance artist Sandro Botticelli, which dates back to the 1480s. The painting depicts the goddess of Venus emerging from the sea as a fully grown woman arriving at the shore on a shell. This moment, immortalized by Botticelli, symbolizes beauty, love, and the rebirth of classical ideals. Almodal's interpretation of this timeless artwork has been transformed into a breathtaking gown, epitomizing the same grace and elegance for the GMA Gala, where by Harleen Hipon-Budol, the gown showcases her beauty and sophistication, making a memorable statement at the event. The GMA Gala dress designed by Almodal encapsulates the essence of Botticelli's Venus through its meticulous craftsmanship and exquisite details. The gown is likely made from the finest materials, featuring delicate fabrics that flow and drape in a manner reminiscent of the wave from which Venus emerged. The design might include intricate embroidery, beadwork, and embellishment that reflects the natural element of the sea, such as pearls, shell, and aquatic motif, creating a sense of ethereal beauty and otherworldly charm. Wearing the Birth of Venus gown at the GMA Gala would be a powerful statement, embodying not only the wearer's beauty and elegance but also a deep appreciation for art, history, and classical mythology. And this gown, designed by Leo Almodal, serves as a bridge between the past and present, celebrating the timeless appeal of Sandro Botticelli's masterpiece while showcasing Almodal's extraordinary talent and vision. Worn by Harleen Hipon-Budol, the gown transforms her into a modern-day Venus, capturing the essence of the goddess' grace and beauty. Harleen's choice to wear this stunning creation underscores her sophistication and her connection to the rich cultural heritage that Botticelli's painting represents. The gown's flowing lines and delicate embellishment highlight Harleen poise, making her a standout presence at the GMA Gala. And Almodal's couture masterpiece goes beyond being just a dress. It is a work of art, a symbol of rebirth, beauty, and the enduring power of myth and legend. The intricate details and exquisite craftsmanship of the gown reflect the same attention to detail and harmonious composition that Botticelli applied to his painting. By wearing this gown, Harleen not only honors the legacy of Botticelli's Venus or Birth of Venus, but also bring its timeless beauty into the contemporary world, making a memorable statement that will be remembered long after the event. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!